Hi, I'm Mahi. I have a little brother, and today I want to share something special with you. My brother often disturbs me because he is little and loves to tease me. He pinches me, pokes me, and does so many things to get my attention. First, he loves to pinch my arm when I am not looking. Sometimes I will be sitting quietly and he sneaks up, gives me a little pinch, and then runs away laughing. When I chase him, he just giggles and hides behind the sofa. Another thing he does is poke my cheek with his finger. He finds it so funny when I get annoyed. Sometimes he will keep poking me until I look at him, and when I finally do, he sticks out his tongue and laughs. He also loves to pull my hair gently, just enough to make me notice. If I'm busy, he tugs on a strand, and when I turn around, he gives me a big innocent smile as if he has done nothing wrong. When I am reading or drawing, he will try to snatch my book or pencil, and then he holds it up high, making me jump to get it back. He thinks it's a fun game to see me try to reach it. Oh, and he likes to make funny faces at me whenever I'm serious. He scrunches up his nose, crosses his eyes, or puffs up his cheeks just to make me laugh. Even if I try to stay mad, I always end up smiling. Though he can be a handful, I know he just wants to play with me, and honestly, even with all the pinching, poking, and teasing, I love having him around. After all, that's what makes having a little brother so much fun.